Hi mga ka-Dream Homes and welcome back to my channel. And again, nandito tayo ngayon sa may Crestview Subdivision sa may Lower Antipolo Rizal. But before we start, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video na i-upload ko. So tara, simulan na natin yung house tour. So yung property details nito, nasa description box, and yung price nito is 14 million guys. Alright, and then this is a single attached house and it is modern house. Kung makikita nyo yung facade ng bahay, so napaka-elegant mga ka-Dream Homes. And then yung location nito is flood free. So malapit to sa may LRT station, SM Masinag, and then yung mall na okay. So ngayon, ito yung facade. So check natin yung loob ng property. Alright. So this is the small garden nyo. So pagpasensyahan nyo na guys, no. Medyo magulo pa rito kasi almost finishing na ito. So 3-car garage siya. So yan. Tatlong sasakyang kasya rito. And nandito naman sa may likod ng house is yung dirty kitchen. So yan. Okay. And proceed tayo rito sa may loob ng bahay. So this is the living area, dining area, and yung kitchen area. So open concept to. Yan. Pagpasensyahan nyo na guys dahil break time nila, natutulog sila. So bibilisan na lang natin ng konti. So ito yung kitchen, main kitchen. And nandito yung dining. So yan. Spacious yung bahay na to. And then nandun naman sa may right side ko yung toilet and bath. And then meron ditong maliit na storage. And this is the main stairs. Akyat tayo dito. Dito sa may second floor, dito makikita nyo naman yung 3 bedrooms and yung balcony. So tignan natin yung first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom guys. Napakalaki, napaka-spacious. And meron siyang sariling built-in cabinet. Kasyang-kasya rito king or queen size of bed. And dito naman, second bedroom, almost the same siya. Almost same yung laki ng kwarto. Ang daming windows and may mga sariling cabinets. And ito naman yung toilet and bath ng 2 bedroom. And next, tignan natin itong third bedroom. So ito yung master bedroom. So ang lalaki ng mga windows. Ayan guys. Meron siyang sariling cabinets and meron siyang toilet and bath. Alright. So ngayon nakita natin yung mga bedroom dito sa second floor. Proceed tayo ngayon dito sa may third floor. Alright. So this is the third floor area. Merong malaking room dito. So it's up to you guys kung gusto nyo gawing cinema room to. So napakalaki na ito. And then ito yung view nyo. May kita nyo, may mountain view. And then ang lalaki ng mga windows. And meron siyang sariling cabinets. May mga pin lights na rin. And this is the toilet and bath sa third floor. And itong space naman guys, pwede nyo siyang gawing family area. Kung gusto nyo gawing kwarto, yung isa. And sa last part, eto naman yung inyong roof deck. So ang laki ng roof deck nyo guys. And then ang sobrang hangin dito. And this is your view. Ayan. Kung meron kayong mga event, pwede kayong pumesto dito guys. Ayan mga ka-Dream Homes, if you think that this property is for you, kindly message me through my Viber, WhatsApp, or SMS. Again, this is your Dream Home Buddy, Marvin Marquez. Magkita-kita tayo muli sa aking susunod na house tour. God bless and bye-bye!